Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. Stitch Fix. It has literally been forever since I've unboxed a Stitch Fix. I put it on pause. I was getting a ton of clothes. My closet was overflowing. I wasn't optimizing what I had. So I paused my subscription with them to take a break and try some other boxes and in general make some space in my closet. And I realized I really miss it. So I unpaused and got a box in for Texas fall, which, I mean, some of the days earlier in the week were like in the 50s, but in general we've been in the 80s. But let's dive in and see what we have inside. As always, super cute. Has the return envelope, has the info on how to break things out, on what to do next. So things I don't like, I just toss in this envelope. Packaging in all of it's done. Shipping. This is my style card. And I don't want to look because I don't want to ruin anything. I'll read part of my note for my stylist. I wonder if I got Sarah again. Samantha, girl, I've missed you. I'm so glad you're back. I was thinking about you as Harvey blew through. Yeah. Hope everything is safe, sound, and dry. For this fix, I pulled together a budget-friendly pieces to help up your style game. She also hit up my Pinterest. I don't want to read anymore because it breaks it out. But Sarah has been my stylist from the beginning, so a couple of years now, and she is absolutely phenomenal. And it has been forever because I paused for a bit. But I am excited to be back. And Harvey, we were super blessed, did not affect us here in Houston, but a lot of my family and friends in Rockport got a little more beat up, but are recovering. Here is my invoice. Not gonna look because I don't want to ruin anything. All right, guys, let's see what we've got. Looks like I've got shoes on top. Let's see what type. Make sure y'all can see everything. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh! These are fabulous, y'all. Stitch Fix. This is upping the game right here. Love. Man, those are off the hook. I don't even know how Sarah does it. She does it every time. All right, let's see. Those shoes, y'all. That was like the perfect start to this unboxing. Okay. Ooh, crushed velvet. So it is so in right now. I have never been brave enough to wear it, but I am sure gonna try. This looks super cute. Super cute. Reach from the front. Super soft. We'll have to see. Y'all are gonna have to give me some input if you think this color washes me out. I can't decide. Oh, I'm getting notifications. Curse of using the phone. You'll have to let me know. I love the color, but it doesn't always work for me. Now, this is a color that does work for me. It's more of a basic top. Crisscross in the front. Longer in length. Super soft. Basic. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Uh-oh, cold shoulder. Y'all know me, I just freak out at cold shoulder, but I really feel like I need to embrace it. Love the color and the print on this. Okay, we're going to have to try it out, ladies. I'm going to try it on. Y'all are going to have to tell me if I look ridiculous or not. It's real stretchy. I love those stripes on it. I don't know what my addiction is. And my last piece is denim. If I keep it, it'll be denim number 40 for me. So I don't know if I should keep denim, but at least it's different look. The bottoms. This is super trendy right now. I'm still working on embracing it. I like it as a skinny leg. I don't know if I like it as a non-skinny. So here we go, 5 pieces. Let me spout out some prices real quick. The cold shoulder pullover, $42. The knit top, this guy, $28. The crushed velvet, $38. The jeans, only $58, and the booties only $89. Very good. So totals $255. Buy all discount on 25% off will save me $63.75. So basically, if I like 4 of the 5 items, I need to keep everything to get the best deal. So there you have it. I'm going to try everything on, put a blog post up with the photos so that you can see everything pulled together and help me decide what to keep. More coming soon. See you guys later. Bye, y'all.